Go!
Tap and count. How many cars are there? Think carefully. Please sort the numbers from smallest to 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You've mastered it. Please 1, 4, 4, 4. Check it 2. 3,
Ơi ơi!
4.
Ơi!
Nice job. Please 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Please tap the numbers in order from smallest to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ơi!
Well done. Please 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. Please tap the numbers in order from smallest to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Cool. Please tap the numbers in order from smallest to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You got it! Congratulations on completing the challenge. Think carefully. Please sort the Please count. How many? 3, 1, 2, 3. The last last number you counted is the total number of little monsters. Let's.
Hey,
Hi!
hey.
Please choose the correct number of little monsters. 4.
Hi!
Please choose the correct number of little monsters. 7.
Hi!
Please choose the correct number of little 5.
Hi!
Please choose the correct number of little monsters. 3.
Hi!
Please choose the correct number of little monsters. 9. Nine. 10. Congratulations on completing the challenge.